Hi, I'm Divyanshu from AIML section X, and this is my project for task D submission. So in this project, I have built a smart fridge monitoring system using Arduino Uno and two sensors, which includes ultrasonic sensor and a temperature sensor. So when you look up into the Arduino circuit, here I have this wire, which is red wire, I have connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino so that this all line becomes 5 volt, and same as for the ground. So ground is black wire so that this rail becomes ground. And when we look up into the sensor, which is temperature sensor, so the left pin, which is power pin of the temperature sensor, so I have connected it to the rail, as I have discussed earlier, which is red wire. It's connected to the 5 volt, so the left pin is connected to 5 volt, and the right pin, which is ground, is connected to the ground rail of the Arduino, and the middle one, which is connected to the analog A0 pin of the Arduino board. And when we look up into the other sensor, which is ultrasonic sensor, so the VCC is connected to the 5 volt rail of the breadboard, which is further connected into the 5 volt of the Arduino, and the ground rail, which is this black wire, it is connected to the ground rail of the breadboard. And when the trig wire it is connected to the analog 7th pin of the digital pin 7 of the Arduino, and the echo, it is connected to the 8th pin of the Arduino. And when we look up, so these two are the sensor which I have used, and this is the actuator, which is piezo buzzer I have used. So when we see the piezo buzzer, the positive terminal, it is connected to the 6D6 of the Arduino, and the negative terminal, it is connected to the ground rail of the breadboard. And the actuator which is I have also used are LEDs, which are red LED and green LED. So when we look up into the LED circuit, so the red LED, the long leg of the which is anode, it is connected through resistor, and further connected it into the 13th pin of the Arduino Uno. And the left wire, which is cathode, it is connected to the ground rail of the breadboard. And the green wire, which is the terminal long leg, which is anode, it is connected to the resistor, and further it is connected to digital 9 pin of the Arduino. And when we look up into the display and display the 16 and 16 time 2 display, so the RS pin, it is connected to the analog 11th pin of the Arduino circuit. And the EN pin, which is enable pin, it is connected to the 10th pin of the Arduino. And the D4 pin, it is connected to the 5th pin. And D5, it is connected to the 4th pin. And the D6, it is connected to the 3rd pin of the Arduino. And last, at the D7 pin, it is connected to the 2nd pin of the Arduino. And the VCC, it is connected to the rail, which is positive, and the ground, it is connected to the negative rail, which I have set up into ground. So when we look up into the potentiometer, so the terminal 2, which is positive, it is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino of the breadboard. And the left one, which is ground, it is connected to the ground rail of the breadboard. And the middle one, which is wiper, it is connected to the contrast of the 16:2 display. So yes, this is all about my project. Thank you.